Are you guys currently facing this ban message inside Fortnite? If you are, then this is what's known as a hardware ID ban, which occurs when Epic Games puts a ban on your motherboard. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to permanently lift that ban using a spoofer. The provider we're going to be checking out is known as Vertex. Vertex has been around for many years now and is a highly reputable brand ready to show you what they're made of. Instead of spending $300 on a brand new motherboard, you can buy Vertex for less than $25, and it includes a TPM bypass for Fortnite, and your serials are guaranteed to stay after you reinstall your Windows device if you need to. To get Vertex for yourself, go to the link in the description and scroll down until you see the spoofer's product. After getting here, you're going to see the temporary and the permanent, but there's a clear difference between these two. The temporary is a one-click solution that you'll have to use every time you restart your computer. It's perfect for cheaters because it's quick and simple, while the permanent spoofer you do have to use once, but you do have to reinstall your entire computer, but you'll never have to use it again. After selecting the permanent spoofer, you'll be greeted with some features, and then you'll see the one-time key, which is if you're going to stop cheating, and the lifetime if you're going to continue cheating. Once you're ready to buy, just add it to your cart and check out. Before spoofing our device, we should always save our serials to our desktop. After loading into the spoofer, you can check your serials up here, and then you have the spoofer. You can go ahead and ARP spoof or GPU spoof, and once you're ready, click on spoof, choose your motherboard, and I'll see you guys once we're done. After we have finished spoofing, we can open back up a serial checker and our before serials, and as you can see, everything has changed, proving that Vertex was a 100% success rate in getting us unbanned.